Okay, you're probably wondering why I started to do MCing jobs on the side, but it's not. So hold on. Let me explain. Obviously, I'm in audio director. What we're doing today is we got to test this bus. We got to test the speakers. This is a tour bus. So you can see there's one. I'm standing on one to my left, one to my right. And what we've got to do is we've got to check the speakers and see that the microphone keeps going out. There's numerous speakers on the bus, and one of them's good, some of them are not working, some of them are
all of them same color.
So we need to check to see what is
but it's
working.
okay, no? Color yellow.
Some of the speakers are working, some of them not come through, and also you've got USB outputs, so how does that connect? And then also we've got channel and volume systems, and it is an absolute, it's an oven in here, huh? It's too hot, come on. So over here the sound's really good actually, where it's protected by the elements, but, and even downstairs when we go, we'll check the main PA system. I really feel like doing some beatbox, but I'm not going to embarrass myself, although I'm pretty good, I reckon. And then we've also got the main unit behind the driver here, it just needs some adjustment. And you've also got the sender unit behind the driver's seat. And you've also got the human interface, which is like the smaller part just to adjust everything. So we'll take a look at all the speakers, find out the sizes and see what needs replacing, and then crack on this work. And that's enough from Audio Direct. A very hot day.